I just discovered a brand new and low competitive niche. The crazy thing is anyone can do this niche. It doesn't matter where you are from or your skills. Anyone can start this niche. If you are watching this video, as soon as I upload it, it's your lucky day because you can start this niche before the competition increases. If you don't believe me, let me show you some proof. This channel only has 16 videos, and it has racked up 17 million views. That's a crazy ratio. I mean, 17 million views with just 16 videos is mind-blowing. The next crazy thing is that they have managed to gain 617,000 subscribers. Bro, it's literally 500,000 subscribers with just 16 videos. I found out the secret behind their success. So today you're going to learn everything about this secret niche, and if you follow my steps, you can do this without procrastinating. You will be a successful YouTuber within the next month. The most obvious question is this niche monetizable? Absolutely yes. So, before I explain what this niche is about, let me show you a sample video I created.
All right, let's get straight to it. You're tired. You need to wake up. You reach for coffee. Boom! Suddenly, you're a fully functioning human being again. But why? What kind of black magic is this?
I hope you can understand what this niche is about. It's basically about explaining things in a humorous way so that everyone can understand it easily, and these videos shouldn't have to be long. 3 minutes is more than enough. And are you guys ready to start the process? Let's begin. Let's start with finding video ideas. You can use either ChatGPT or DeepSeek for this process. What you need to do is set a target, like uploading 20 videos within the next 30 days. For that, you need to find 20 video topics. So I've asked ChatGPT to give me 20 topic ideas. I've explained our niche in this prompt and asked it to generate video topics. As you can see here, we have some amazing video ideas. Just like this, you can generate any number of video topics for this niche. Then, I asked ChatGPT to generate a script for one of these topics. All you need to do is copy this prompt and replace this topic with your topic, and ChatGPT will generate you an amazing script in the same style as the channels I showed earlier. This is super easy, you don't have to be stressed about this. As you can see here, we have an amazing script. I specifically asked it to make a script with 4,000 characters, which would be around 3 minutes in duration. If you want, you can change that as well. Now let's make voiceovers for this video. For this process, I'm going to use a new AI tool called Fish Audio. I would like to thank Fish Audio AI for sponsoring this video. This tool is one of the best AI tools that you can use for AI voice generation. It has amazing AI voices, and it's more cost-effective than other AI voice tools. You can use the link in the description to sign up for this AI tool. Once you sign up, you will come to this page. Now go to this discovery page and you will be able to find all sorts of AI voices for your videos. As you can see here, we have the voice clones of famous people like Donald Trump, Elon Musk, and more. Once you select a suitable AI voice for your channel, click this Use Voice option. Then you will come to this page. Now you need to enter the script here. I'm going to paste a part of our script. We have 2 models. You can select any model you like. I'm going to use both, and let's check which one is good. I will also enable this voice enhancement option to get a better quality voice. And let's generate the voice.
All right, let's get straight to it. You're tired. You need to wake up. You reach for coffee. Boom. Suddenly you're a fully functioning human being again. But why? What kind of black magic is this? Well, my friend, it's all thanks to caffeine, the world's favorite legal drug. Yep, you heard me. Caffeine is a drug. But don't freak out.
I think the voice is too loud and the speed needs to be decreased. You can change those settings using these options. After changing these according to your liking, you can generate the voices, and with this V1.6 model, you can improve the voice over by adding pauses, breathing, and laughs.
All right, let's get straight to it. You're tired. You need to wake up. You reach for coffee. Boom, suddenly, you're a fully functioning human being again. But why?
Just like this. You can generate voiceovers for your whole script. Let me show you another cool advanced feature this tool offers. Go to this text-to-speech feature and select this advanced audio story. And you will come to this page. Here, you can generate voiceovers with multiple characters. As an example, I'm going to paste part of the script here. Now, if you check this, we can add pauses, sighs, a laughing part, and more expressions to our voiceovers. Once you complete the first character, click the Enter key, and you will get the second dialog box. Now you can change the AI voice by clicking this icon, just like this. You can make voiceovers with multiple AI characters. If you want to use your own voice for these videos, you can clone it using this tool. Go to this voice cloning feature. All you need to do is give your voice a name, description, and logo. Then you need to upload a 30-second clear and clean voice recording file of your voice, and you can instantly clone your voice. You can check the link in the description and get this AI tool. Now, let's move on to the next step, which is creating visuals for this video. I'm going to mix some stick figure animations with some AI images for this video. You can use Leonardo AI to generate some AI images. First, you need to read the script carefully and select the scenes that you're going to use images and stick figure animations. Once you decide to do so, you can go to Leonardo AI and generate images. If you don't like to use AI images, you can convert them into videos with this motion feature. For that, go to the main menu and select this motion feature. Now, when you click this, you can go to your Generations tab where you can find the previously generated images. Then select the image you want to convert to a video and increase this motion strength, then click the Generate button. Within a few seconds, that image will turn into a video. Just like this. You can create several AI images and videos. Now, for the stick figure part, I'm going to use Canva. I already did a fully detailed video about this. You can check it as well. Once you go to your Canva account, create a new project and select this video template. First, you need to go to Uploads and upload the voiceover and AI video files to this. You can add the voiceover files to the timeline and adjust the timeline by increasing this to match the duration of the voice file. Then, go to Elements and search for the black background layer. I'm going to use this black layer as the background of our video. Make sure to adjust its size to match the whole surface. Now, go to Elements and search for stick figure. Now, I'm going to select this stick figure. If you click these three dots and go to the creator's profile, you can find similar style stick figures from the same creator. All you need to do is search the figure you want and add it. Now, you can add the suitable stick figures to the timeline. Since our background is black, you must change the color of these stick figures to white. And you need to adjust the time when these stick appear using this purple bar in the timeline. Just like this, you can add the stick figures to all the necessary places. Once you get used to this process, this is going to be super easy. Then you need to add the AI videos to the suitable places as well. Make sure to place those in the correct places. After everything is completed, click this share button, and you can download this video as an MP4 file. Now, I'm going to use CapCut to add some animated captions and background music for this. Once you import this video to CapCut, go to this text and click this auto captions feature. You can generate captions for this video automatically. I'm going to change the font of this text and make it a little bit bigger like this. Unlike other videos, we need to add different styles and animations to these captions. Therefore, you need to uncheck the Apply to All option. Then, you can edit these captions separately. Add suitable animation to the caption, parts you want. Make sure to remove the captions where it's unnecessary. You can also add text effects like these to the suitable places. So, play with these and edit these captions. After that, you need to add a cool background music to this video, and that's all. Your video is ready.
All right, let's get straight to it. You're tired. You need to wake up. You reach for coffee. Boom! Suddenly, you're a fully functioning human being again. But why? What kind of black magic is this? Well, my friend, it's all thanks to caffeine, the world's favorite legal drug. Yep, you heard me. Caffeine is a drug. But don't freak out. It's not the kind that makes you sell your furniture for another hit. It's just the one that keeps you from face planting into your keyboard at 8 a.m. So, here's what happens inside your brain when you take that first glorious sip of coffee.
So, now you know how to make videos for this brand new and low competitive niche. Now, if you do this process and keep your consistency for the next 30 days, you will have a successful YouTube channel in the next 30 days. So, I wish you the best of luck, guys.